Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Newiballd Designing Developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google My Business in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this video also like you enjoyed my previous all Java's video and many other projects of the Django and Python also. But before that, if you are just new here, so please hit the subscribe button, and if you are just learning more than enough thing from this video and making good enough Google My Business, so please hit like to this video and also share it with your friends if they want to learn programming or related to programming languages. You can also learn my courses of Django Python, which I have just uploaded already, and you can also learn my all the previous React courses and other, because that are also really helpful for a beginner if they want to become a full stack developer of React or JavaScript, if they want to become a full stack developer of React also, because React is a really modern language and it is just will be really helpful for you in the future. And now all the frameworks and all the things and all the website are just on React.js. So React.js is the main thing which you have to focus on with JavaScript, so you can make your wonderful websites, and you can also grow your business by making the website which you make with React. So just that all things will be really helpful for you. So just I hope you'll be enjoying this video also like you enjoyed my previous videos. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building our Google My Business in Java, which should be really helpful for you. But before starting the project, I want to show you the demo, how it will be just looking when we will be just making that and how we will be just creating that. So if I just open my Google Chrome here, so you can see your Google Business app is just here. You can see that here it is, your Google My Business. It is only the front page which we have made. It is not all of the Google My Business, because in Java we can only make like all of them, but I am making for beginners if they want to learn. So because of that, I am making only front page. If I just make whole of that, so it will be just really long video, but I want to make it short of 10 minutes. So because of that, I am making only the front page, so people can understand how to just build that. You can see that we are getting Google My Business at the left side logo, then we are getting the beautiful navbar with white color and box shadow also of black at the back. Then we are getting another, you can see profile, which is called business profile, FAQs. Then after that we are getting the sign in button and manage now button. Then if I move down, you will be getting one interface here of mobile and one picture here. Then at the left side you will be getting your text. You can see here it is your heading with your text and your Lorem Ipsum text, you can say, or any other. And then you will be also getting one button in which it is written manage now. You can press to manage your own Google My Business account. If I scroll down, it will be just given your customer deals with a great business profile. You can read that if you want to read. And then it will be your phone photo here. You can also see that, which is just looking really good. You can take these photos from any other website. I can also tell you like flat icon are here, PNG Ming, and many other websites are here from where you can take your these like pictures here. So now we'll be starting with a project, but before that, if you want to install VS Code, you can do that, because we'll be working all and doing all the code of Java in our VS Code. So just open your VS Code by writing VS Code at the search bar. Write VS Code, then open it. And if you have not installed that yet, I can also tell you how to install. Just go to new tab, press Google. Okay, so it will be just really easy to open Google. Just you have to write VS Code, or you can write Visual Studio Code, its full form. Then the first link will be a pair of that. You will be pressing that, and then it will be just giving like how to install. You can see at the front page we are getting download for Windows. You can also download it for like Mac if you are using, or you are using Windows. If you are using Windows 32-bit, so you can press this download to download. And if you are using Linux, so you can also install for that. Here it is for Mac, Universal, and User Installer for Windows Xcode. So like that you can install that. So I hope you learn how to install VS Code. So just when you will be opening your VS Code, you will be getting the interface like that, but it will be just appearing too much, because it will take some time to just open if your PC is just not good enough to just open that. Because I open many of the tab and making videos also, so because of that it will be take some time to just open here. Okay, so anything happened? Okay, so now it has been open. You can see how much time it takes to open. So you can see we have just opened that. So here we will be just writing some of the code, but before that you have to make one file with the name of java.js. You have to write the same name, and you can save in any location you want to have saved in local disk app. You can see app, and then there it is written search bar. So you can save in any location you want to, like I have saved in local disk app, because my desktop was not really like good enough to just handle this file, because it will be just of you can say 1 to 2 GB file. So you can just take any other location to save your file in which you are getting more than enough space. So here I will be doing one thing, like in local disk D I am getting 1 TB, so because of that I am saving in that, and in local disk C I am getting 400 GB, so because of that I am not saving, because already I have saved my all the videos and other thing which are of, like you can say, 239 MB or all the videos. So here I will be moving down, and then simply I will be writing. So you have to write these all codes, just copy that all codes here and then move down and write the code which I am writing. So here you have to just move and write a tag which will be just like here, clone, close this here, and then you have to do one thing, just you have to make this, you can say this curly bracket here. I will be just writing repository. Just you have to not do anything, just write here and write, you can say this dot here I can write, and here you have to write print, and you have to write here follow. Then you have to close this, and here I will be moving now and moving down, and then here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here element. So escape I'll be writing, because element we have written many times. So here I will be writing this tag, and when you've done with that things, you have to do one thing here, like Google, and you have to write dot business, and when you've written that, just write dot icon and just close that. So when you've done that, move down again, right here like reader. So here I will be writing a tag which will be like reader, close and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing here Java dot, and here I will be writing a tag which will be like personal dot bar. Just you have to close this tag again, and here I will be moving down. Then when you've done that, here you have to write system, and here write like file. So here I'll be writing file dot performance dot entry. Just close this tag, and when you're done with that, just move down here, make this open tag again, and here you have to write enumerator. So write enumerator, close here and make this curly bracket, and here I will be writing a thing which should be like terminal dot l dot, and here I will be writing length, and then I will be just closing this tag here. And when you've done with that things, here I will be just moving down, and when you've done with that all, just I'll be writing a tag again which will be just like here system, but we have already done that. So here I'll be writing folder, close this, and you have to write here path dot location, because we have to also define our path and location where we have just save our file in which we are just making our Google business. So here I will be writing like load, close this here now. So when you've done that, here move down now again, then make this tag, and here I will be writing like file list now. So write file list, close and make this curly bracket here, not the square one. Here write list dot file dot, and here you have to write a tag which should be just like here navigator, close it. Now it is good. So you can see we have done with that things. Move down again, and you have to just do one thing here, like write here file, but now I will be not writing the same thing here. I will be writing file element, which should be different from here, and I will be writing file dot, but we have already done file. So here I will be writing like function dot svg. Then you have to just write here a dot, which should be just after that. You have to write first of all svg, but write dot, then write svg dot. You have to write a tag which will be just like a post, and then you have to close this tag. When you've done that all things, just you have to do one thing, move down again. Here I will be just writing a tag which will be just like here this one, and then I will be making a function tag here. Here I will be making a array tag, and when you've done that, here I will be writing a dot which should be like function dot print. Close this here now, and when you've done with that, I will be doing one thing. I will be moving again here and then making this bracket. You can see that. So here I will be just making this. Okay, so when you've done with that things, here I will be doing one thing now. Here I will be moving, and then I will be just writing a tag which will be just like here this tag, and here I will be writing like element, but element we have written, so here I will be writing event source. So write event source, close here, make this curly bracket in which I will be writing event dot source dot, and here I will be writing closer. Just close this tag now. You have to just save this file from here, and when you're done with that thing, just if I will be showing you in the Google, so your Google project should be just ready, which we have to make. So just if I open my Google Chrome, you can see that our Google My Business is ready. We are just getting all the things which we want, like the nav bar in which we are getting the white color and the back of the box shadow. Then we are also getting the logo of Google and My Business written after. Then we are getting our nav bar, things like overview, business profile, FAQs, and many other. And after that, the sign in button and manage now button are at the right side. If I scroll down, so you will be getting two pictures, one of the mobile and one is the simple picture. And at the left side, you will be getting your text here, which is just written engage with customers on Google for free. Then you can read these all instruction which is just written, and you can press manage now button to manage that. And you can also see one animation effect, like if I scroll down, so only one mobile is just coming and appearing here because I've just put the animation with the help of my like event source tag which I have written at the end. And if I scroll down, you will be getting a customer with a great business profile. You can read this thing also, and you can also post your own photos or anything by reading this all queries. You can also press manage my business profile, so you can manage your business profile. If you want to change it and want to do any of the changes, you can do that. It's your choice what you want to do. So like that, you can build your own Google My Business project in Java, and I hope you understand how to just build that. And I hope you enjoy this video also, like check my previous video. If you have just enjoyed and learned things from this video, so please hit a like to that. And if you're new on the channel and learning first time anything, so please subscribe on my channel and also share this video with your friends and many of like family members so they can also learn. And thank you for 2.32k subscriber family on our channel, and now we have to just cross the limit of 5,000 subscriber, and I hope we'll be doing that in future also. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.